Environmental justice is the fair treatment and meaningful involvement of all people, regardless of race, nationality, or income, in environmental policies and practices. It seeks to ensure that no community bears a disproportionate share of environmental harms, such as pollution or hazardous waste, due to systemic inequalities. Historically, marginalized communities have often lived near factories, highways, or waste sites, leading to higher rates of health problems and reduced quality of life. Environmental justice advocates work to address these imbalances by pushing for stronger regulations, community engagement, and equitable distribution of environmental benefits like clean air, water, and green spaces. This movement also emphasizes the importance of empowering communities to have a voice in decisions that affect their environment and health. Achieving environmental justice is essential for creating a sustainable and inclusive future, where every individual has the right to live. Thriving Environment. Please subscribe.